Did you know that more than half of all homes in America have a mold problem? That's right, folks. Mold is more common than you might think, and it can be lurking in places you wouldn't even imagine. From the basement to the attic, mold can find its way into any part of your home. This ain't just a little dirt we're talking about. Mold is a living organism that thrives in damp, humid environments. It can start as a small, unnoticeable spot and quickly spread, causing damage to your home and potentially affecting your health. This is mold, and it's living right under your nose. You might think that a little mold is harmless, but it can lead to serious issues if left untreated. Mold releases spores into the air which can be inhaled and cause respiratory problems, allergies, and other health issues. You might not even see it, but trust me, it's there. Mold can hide behind walls, under floors, and in other hidden areas of your home. Even if you can't see it, you might notice a musty smell or experience unexplained health issues. It's in your walls, under your sinks, and maybe even in the air you breathe. Mold can grow in any area that has moisture, so it's important to keep an eye out for any signs of water damage or leaks. Now I know what you're thinking. Mike, you're just trying to scare us. But listen, I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to inform you about a real issue that many homeowners face. Mold is not something to be taken lightly, and it's important to address it as soon as possible. But listen, I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to tell you the truth. Mold is a serious problem, and it's time we did something about it. Ignoring mold won't make it go away. In fact, it will only get worse over time. I'm here to tell you the truth. Mold is a serious problem, and it's time we did something about it. There are steps you can take to prevent mold growth and to remove it if it does appear in your home. Mold is a serious problem, and it's time we did something about it. Professional mold remediation is one option, but there are also DIY methods you can try. One effective and natural solution is vinegar. That's why I'm here today to talk to you about vinegar. Vinegar is a natural and affordable way to clean and prevent mold. It's non-toxic and safe to use around your family and pets. Simply mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle and apply it to the affected areas. Let it sit for a few minutes, then wipe it clean. Regular use of vinegar can help keep mold at bay and ensure a healthier home environment. Yeah, you heard me right. Vinegar. That stuff your grandma used to clean with. Turns out, Grandma was onto something. You see, vinegar is a natural mold killer. It's cheap, it's effective, and it's safe for your family and your pets. We're talking about plain old white vinegar here, the kind you can find in any grocery store. No fancy chemicals, no harsh fumes, just good old-fashioned cleaning power. So, how does it work? Well, that's what we're going to get into next. But first, let's talk about why you should even care about mold in the first place. Mold is more than just an unsightly nuisance. It can pose serious health risks to you and your loved ones. Mold spores can trigger allergies, cause respiratory issues, and even lead to more severe health problems if left unchecked. It's especially concerning for those with asthma, weakened immune systems, or other pre-existing health conditions. So, keeping your home mold-free isn't just about cleanliness, it's about safeguarding your health. Now back to our hero, vinegar. You might be wondering, how exactly does vinegar tackle mold? Vinegar contains acetic acid, which has antifungal and antibacterial properties. When you spray vinegar onto a moldy surface, the acetic acid works to break down the mold structure, effectively killing it and preventing it from growing back. It's a simple yet powerful solution. But that's not all. Vinegar is also versatile. You can use it on a variety of surfaces, from kitchen counters and bathroom tiles to walls and even fabrics. Just make sure to do a spot test first to ensure it won't damage the material. And the best part, there's no need to rinse it off. Vinegar's natural properties continue to work even after you've finished cleaning, providing ongoing protection against mold. So, next time you see a patch of mold, don't reach for those harsh chemical cleaners. Instead, grab a bottle of white vinegar. It's a safe, effective, and eco-friendly way to keep your home clean and healthy. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the science behind vinegar's mold-fighting abilities and share some pro tips for keeping your home mold-free. Because when it comes to fighting mold, vinegar truly is your best friend. Mold isn't just ugly to look at, it can actually be bad for your health. It can make you cough, sneeze, and wheeze. It can even trigger asthma attacks and allergies, and if you think that's bad, it gets worse. Mold can also damage your home. It can eat away at wood, drywall, and insulation. Left unchecked, it can even weaken the structural integrity of your house. So, yeah, mold is a big deal, but the good news is, you don't have to live with it. Mold loves damp, dark places. Think about your basement, your bathroom, or that leaky pipe under your sink. Those are prime real estate for mold. and once it takes hold, it can spread like wildfire. Now, not all mold is created equal. Some types are more dangerous than others. But here's the thing, you don't want to wait around to find out what kind of mold you have. That's why it's important to take action as soon as you see any signs of mold. And that's where vinegar comes in. Vinegar is acidic, mold is basic. This fundamental difference sets the stage for an epic battle between these two household adversaries. When the two meet, it's like a chemical cage match. The acidity of the vinegar clashes with the basic nature of the mold, creating a hostile environment for the mold to survive. The acid in the vinegar attacks the mold, breaking down its cell walls and killing it dead. This process is not just a surface-level clean, it penetrates deep into the mold's structure, ensuring that it is thoroughly eradicated. But vinegar doesn't just kill mold, it goes a step further by creating conditions that make it difficult for mold to return. This is crucial for maintaining a mold-free environment in your home. It also helps prevent it from coming back. The acidic environment left behind by the vinegar acts as a deterrent for mold spores, making it less likely for them to take root and grow again. That's because vinegar creates an acidic environment that mold hates. Mold thrives in damp, neutral to slightly alkaline conditions, and vinegar disrupts this balance, making it an inhospitable place for mold to grow. Think of it like making your home inhospitable to unwanted house guests. Just as you wouldn't want to live in a place that doesn't suit your needs, mold won't want to grow in an environment that is too acidic for its liking. So, how do you use vinegar to kill mold? It's simple. You don't need any fancy equipment or expensive chemicals. All you need is some plain white vinegar in a spray bottle. Just mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle. This solution is potent enough to tackle most mold problems you might encounter in your home. Then, spray the affected area and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. This gives the vinegar enough time to penetrate the mold and start breaking it down. You can then scrub away the mold with a brush or sponge. For tougher mold stains, you might need to repeat the process a few times, but with patience and persistence, vinegar will get the job done. And there you have it, a simple, natural, and effective way to keep your home mold-free. Vinegar is not only a powerful cleaning agent, but also a safe and eco-friendly option for your household. So next time you spot mold in your home, reach for that bottle of vinegar. It's a versatile tool in your cleaning arsenal, ready to slay the mold monster whenever it appears. With vinegar, you can ensure a healthier, cleaner living space for you and your loved ones. Say goodbye to mold and hello to a fresh, clean home. Section 6. Vinegar, the natural choice for a healthy home. Now I know what you're thinking, Mike, why not just use bleach? Well, here's the thing about bleach. It's strong stuff, it can kill mold, but it can also damage your surfaces and release harmful fumes. Vinegar, on the other hand, is gentle and natural. It's safe for your family, your pets, and your home. Plus, it's way cheaper than bleach. And let's be honest, who doesn't love saving a few bucks? So next time you see mold, don't reach for the bleach, reach for the vinegar. Section 7. Before and after. See vinegar's mold-busting power in action. Don't just take my word for it, check out these before and after pictures. This is a bathroom I tackled last week. The grout was covered in mold, and the whole place smelled like a swamp. I sprayed the whole thing down with my trusty vinegar solution, let it sit for an hour, and then scrubbed it down with a brush. And bam, the mold was gone, and the bathroom smelled fresh as a daisy. Section 8. Vinegar, your mold-free home's best friend. So, there you have it. Vinegar, the anti-mold miracle you never knew you needed. It's cheap, it's effective, and it's safe for your family and your home. Don't let mold take over your home. Fight back with the power of vinegar. Your lungs, your wallet, and your home will thank you for it. Section 9. Want more clean home secrets? Hit subscribe. Hey, if you like this tip, you're gonna love what I got cooking over on my channel. We're talking all things clean, green, and budget-friendly. Hit that subscribe button and join the cleanest, greenest community on the internet.